Are you tired of repetitive tasks slowing down your business growth? AI automation could be your game changer. Welcome to Gradient Data Loop. Today, we're diving into the world of AI automation and what it means for small businesses like yours. AI isn't just for tech giants anymore, it's unlocking new possibilities for small and mid-sized businesses across every industry. Whether you're in healthcare, finance, construction, or manufacturing, AI can help you streamline operations and cut down on repetitive tasks. But what does that mean for you, and how can you start leveraging this technology today? Let's find out. AI is transforming healthcare by automating administrative tasks and enhancing patient care. Imagine a small healthcare clinic implementing AI to manage patient records and schedule appointments. This not only reduces human error but also frees up staff to focus on direct patient care. According to a study published in Representation Geometry Shapes Task Performance in Vision Language Modeling for CT Enterography, AI can significantly improve diagnostic accuracy, allowing clinics to provide better service without expanding their workforce. In financial services, AI is used to automate customer support, fraud detection, and risk management. Small banks and financial advisors can leverage AI to analyze large datasets quickly and accurately, providing valuable insights to their clients. A Hacker News post highlights how AI chatbots are increasingly used to automate support, reducing costs and ensuring 24/7 service availability. This shift not only enhances customer satisfaction but also allows small financial firms to compete with larger institutions. Manufacturers are using AI to optimize production processes, enhance quality control, and manage supply chains. A recent research paper on Lyra 2.0 discusses how AI-driven 3D modeling can revolutionize product design and development. For small manufacturing businesses, AI can identify inefficiencies in production lines, predict maintenance needs, and improve product quality. Imagine the cost savings and increased output when AI tools are used to monitor and adjust machinery in real time. Despite the benefits, implementing AI isn't without challenges. One major hurdle is the integration of AI systems into existing workflows. Many SMBs worry about the initial investment and potential disruption to their operations. However, solutions like those discussed in DiceQ, Dynamic Data Redistribution for SKU-Resilient Snowpark UDF execution, show that scalable, elastic architectures can ease this transition, offering custom solutions that fit the specific needs of small businesses. Now that we've explored the possibilities AI brings, how do you get started? Begin by identifying repetitive tasks within your business that could benefit from automation. Consult with an AI vendor to understand which tools align with your business goals and budget. Remember, starting small and scaling as you see results is key. By embracing AI, you're not just adopting new technology, you're setting your business up for sustainable growth and success. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon for notifications, and leave a comment below on how you're considering using AI in your business.